Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a dichotomous key. So right here I have all the object / organisms we're going to be using today as visual representation, and so let's get started. First off, on the back I have all the items listed with their scientific name, that is the genus, and then the other part of the name. And obviously these are made up because these aren't real organisms, but you know, we can have fun with them anyways. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take a colored pencil, just 12 random ones, and we're just going to think of a color for each one. It can be any color. This is just to help you. You don't have to use colors. You could use X's, you could use circles, you don't even have to use symbols. Whatever system works for you is good. Alright, so when you're done doing that, you're going to pick whatever object you want to start with. Let's just start with the first one, the fidget spinner. So now we're going to look at the actual key itself. So we'll start with number 1 up here. The object is sticky, go to 2, and the object is not sticky, go to 4. Since the fidget spinner obviously isn't sticky, we will mark 4, if that's the one we're using. And then we'll take out all the items right here that are sticky. In this case, it would be the glue, the lip balm, and the tape. So when we go down to 4, it says the object is a toy, go to 5. The object is not a toy, go to 8. So the fidget spinner is a toy, we'll go to 5, and then we'll take out all of the ones that are not a toy. That leaves us with these 4. So when we go to 5, it says the object is purple, go to 6. The object is a different color, go to 7. In this case, the fidget spinner is purple. We'll mark that off. And go to 6, it says the object bounces, it's bounce purpura. The object spins, it's spinning purpura. So this object spins. And there we go. So that's it for the first one. And since we've already used it, we're going to remove it completely because it can't be used again. And then we'll put all the other objects back. Alright, so now we're going to be on to number 2, which is the glue sticks. So without further ado, let's go to the back. So with number 1, the object is sticky, go to 2. We already know that it's sticky, so we'll do that. The object is used on your lips. The object is not used on your lips. Hopefully no one's using glue on their lips, so it does go to 3. So it says the object is thick, which is stick-it-is, and then the object is thin, stick-it-is, roll-less. So with this, it's obviously thick. And what I mean by thick is that, you know, this part is thick, and then with the tape, it's thin. So we will mark that. We remove it from the pile completely. So now we're on to the tape. If we go back, and this object is sticky, we go to 2. The object is used in her lip, it's not. So let's go to 3. The object is thick, it's not. We've already used that. The object is thin. Stick-it-is, roll-less, and that would be the tape. So number 4 is the paper clip. The object is not sticky, so we'll go to 4. The object is not a toy, so we'll go to 8. The object is metal, so we'll go to 9. The object is magnetic. It is, in fact, magnetic, so it is Metallica Menorah, which is this one. So now we're on to number 5, which is the penny. So number 1 again, it's not sticky. So, and it's not a toy. It is metal, but it is not magnetic. And that's Unus Centis. Now we're on to the Slinky. Object is not sticky. The object is not used on your lip. Alright, oops, I messed up. I said it was not a toy, when it actually is. So, it is a toy. Just ignore that. So go to 5. And in this case, the object is purple. So let's go to 6. The object bounces. Bounce a purpura. And I realized I also forgot to mark the fidget spinner. And that is totally my fault. And that would be the purple Slinky. So now we're on to the lip balm. Number 7. The object is sticky. The object is used on your lips. And there you go. That was the easiest one. Now stick it as chappus. Remove that. And now we're on to the rubber ducky. So the object is not sticky. Go to 4. The object is a toy. Go to 5. The object, in this case, is a different color than purple. So we'll go to 7. The object is pink. And that leaves us with a not a dye rubber eye. Now, fun fact about this little guy's name, this is actually the scientific genus of the duck. Alright, so now we're on to number 9, which is the Rubik's Cube. The object is not sticky, so we'll go to 4. It is a toy. We'll go to 5. The object is a different color than purple, does not have purple in it. Let's go to 7. Object is multicolored, so that means it is Rubik's Cube. Alright, now we're on to the earbuds. So the object is not sticky again. The object is not a toy. The object is non-metal, technically, although it does have that metal part. The object is an office supply. It technically is not. So it is Audio Tangla. Because my headphones are all tangled up. So now we're on to number 11, which is the mechanical pencil. The object is not sticky. So we'll go to 4. Object is not a toy. Go to 8. Object is non-metal. Go to 10. The object is an office supply. Go to 11. Object is a writing utensil. That means it is Pointus Mechanis. Now obviously we've already eliminated the others, so there really isn't need to think much about this one because we all know it's the ruler, but we're still going to go through the exercise just for basic practice. So the object is not sticky. Go to 4. It's not a toy, so we'll go to 8. The object is not metal, so we're going to go to 10. The object is an office supply, go to 11. And finally, it is a measuring tool. All right, so now we finished the dichotomous key completely, and we have successfully named all of our organisms / objects by scientific name. So now we've completed the dichotomous key. This one was made by me. And we successfully named all of our objects / organisms by their scientific name. And you can see kind of the process of how a dichotomous key works. You kind of have to solve it like a puzzle and find out which statements apply and which ones don't in whatever you're looking for. Again, this was a pretty simple exercise just to show you guys how to do it. And obviously it gets more complicated once you get to more complicated traits. But this is kind of just the basic idea of what a dichotomous key is. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye.